This is the donor. This is the best looking one. And welcome back. I'm BK and this is my cartoon life. I realize this has a metal intake manifold. I wonder... Yeah, these are all plastic. Is that an upgraded part or what's happening there? When I said I liked the Junkyard, I didn't mean I wanted to go every single day. So we're hanging out inside Didi, our 2007 Toyota Yaris, and we're headed to the pick apart. What we're gonna do is pick up a valve cover for a 1ZZ because the one in our Matrix is bent. Is that this here is damaged. Yo, right, we made it. Just open, so I'm hyped. Let's go. One, but I think we can keep looking and find a bit of a better one. There seems to be some sort of like paint or damage there. These wheels, but there's missing one. I haven't been able to get it off. I think I damaged it too. Why is everything so like this? I think it's damaged back here anyways. I forgot to remove these. That's probably why it's not coming out. Okay, sick. This one looks like it's in good condition. I don't see any gouges here. So we are good, I think. Look, they have the upgraded gasket here. Literally popped right out when I took those out. So I'm pretty sure that one's not coming out because of that. So the new donor car is this. Oh, hey, it's actually coming from a Matrix. Awesome. I wonder if it does have gas shocks. Are they good? No. Okay. Let's see if that other Corolla, I don't know why, I'm just hella curious. Plastic or metal? Yeah, see, it's metal. Okay, so the Corollas come with metal ones. Interesting. All right, here's the new valve cover. We're gonna get this guy all cleaned up. Okay, while the other valve cover drives, let's get this other one off. Okay, crazy. It's like broken into so many different chunks. I don't think we got any plastics in the engine though, which is great. So I feel like it's all out now. And yeah, this is... Yeah, the new one, and then here's the old one. We're going to go ahead and replace the... We're gonna take this and move it here. Old PVC came off with a 22 and some down pressure. Okay, so yeah, we fitted the gasket into this channel. And now these grommets are gonna go on as well, but they go on the bottoms of these screws. Okay, now we have our coils back in, everything's tightened. Gigi's favorite thing is to look at the water. Now that we have the gasket on the Matrix replaced, I was gonna also change the intake one, as you know, but I feel like we should wait and see if the check engine light comes on to see if that's what fixed it or not. And, you know, obviously we'll still change the gasket, but I think this lets us kind of have a clearer picture of what's actually going on with the Matrix. It's crazy how gross that gasket was. I'm going to head to work, but before that we need to change the oil on the Yaris. That's something to consider. If we lower it, it'll be a little bit, we'll have to jack it up to do this oil change. Stuff is awesome. I use it more than, like, some people use the other stuff, but I think the B12 Chem tool is really cool. I always do it on I keep my oil filters for 2 oil changes, and the second oil change I use this. Okay, it's called Super Coffee. This is the vanilla flavor. Right away it hits really sweet. It doesn't have a lot of sugar though. It's 10 grams. It's really flavorful. I like bitter coffee. It may not have tasted good, but it got me amped. Thanks for hanging out with me. Today we had quite an eventful day. We went to the Junkyard and pulled a valve cover for a 1ZZ, and then we replaced the valve cover gasket. Hopefully this fixes the lean engine code we're getting on our 2006 Toyota Matrix. We've got a lot to do to get the MR2 ready and to get ready for this move, but we have some things blocking us, so stay tuned to see how we deal with it. Is there anything you're working on or working towards? Please let me know. I appreciate you, and I'll see you tomorrow.